Greetings, Mr. Ilanan. We are Group 1 of MATH180 C2, and today we proudly present to you our statistical research entitled Influence of Practice Time, Years of Experience, and Cumulative Playing Time on Free Throw Success Rate. This study investigates which of these factors significantly influences free throw performance among NBA players using multiple linear regression analysis.
So free throws are among the most important scoring opportunities in basketball because they are uncontested shots that can greatly affect game outcomes. Previous studies have shown that practice, playing experience, and fatigue each influence basketball performance. However, these factors have often been studied individually. We identified a research gap in evaluating their combined influence on free throw success using a statistical model. To address this gap, our study simultaneously examined practice time, years of experience, and cumulative playing time to determine which variable best predicts free throw success rate.
Our study has three objectives. First, to determine the simultaneous relationship of practice time, years of experience, and cumulative playing time with free throw success rate. Second, to evaluate the statistical significance and individual contribution of each predictor. Finally, to construct a predictive multilinear regression model using MATLAB. We employed a quantitative correlational research design using secondary data from 50 NBA player game observations. The independent variables were practice time, years of experience, and cumulative playing time, while the dependent variable was free throw success rate. The dataset was analyzed using MATLAB R2024A through ordinary least squares multiple linear regression. To ensure validity of the model, diagnostic tests for normality, homoscedasticity, independence of residuals, and multicollinearity were also conducted.
The multiple linear regression model was found to be statistically significant with an F value of 4.48 and a P value of 0.0077. The model produced an R squared value of 0.226, meaning that approximately 22.6% of the variation in free throw success rate was explained by the three predictor variables included in the model. Among the predictors, only cumulative playing time showed a statistically significant relationship with free throw success rate. Both practice time and years of experience were not statistically significant predictors in the fitted model. The resulting regression equation was y hat equals 106.24 plus 0.757 times practice time minus 0.62 times years of experience minus 6.812 times cumulative playing time. We also performed diagnostic tests, and the results included that the assumptions required for multiple linear regression were reasonably satisfied, supporting the validity of the fitted model.
So our findings suggest that cumulative playing time was the strongest predictor among the variables included in the study. Since longer playing time may indicate greater accumulated fatigue, this may contribute to lower free throw success rates. And on the other hand, practice time and years of experience did not significantly influence shooting performance within our sampled professional NBA players. The relatively low R squared value also suggests that additional factors such as shooting mechanics, psychological readiness, and game context may contribute to free throw performance and should be considered in future studies.
In conclusion, this study successfully achieved all of its research objectives. We developed and validated a multiple linear regression model that evaluated the influence of practice time, years of experience, and cumulative playing time on free throw success rate. And among these variables, only cumulative playing time was identified as a statistically significant predictor. So, for future research, we recommend incorporating additional physiological, psychological, and game related variables to improve the predictive capability of the model. We also recommend expanding the dataset to include more player observations and different levels of basketball competition, as well as comparing multiple linear regression with other machine learning techniques. And that is all for our statistical research paper. Thank you.